You want to take a full can of O'Reilly's brake clean. And you just want to just stand back here and just give it to her, you know what I mean? Okay, on today's Barn Find Racing, we're going to take this sweet Suburban over here, right? And we're going to, well, I'm going to show you what we're going to do. Right? There you go. There's the bumper. You get this. It goes like this. Suburban. I forgot that part, but it's okay. You get the gist, right? And we're going to work underneath the hood, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to pour gasoline. We're going to take a gas can, right? And we're going to like just spray it all over, okay? And then we're going to throw a match in it. And then we're just going to blow it up because it's junk. It's just a piece of shit. I mean, it's Pierce's. I mean, obviously. I mean, he says it's worth, you know,
$1 million.
No, it's for 15K, you know. But it ain't. It ain't. It's worth
Zero.
Yeah.
$0.
So we just need to burn it real good. Well, the good thing is, by the time that we post this video, they're gonna already own it. They're already fucked. I mean, sorry guys. I mean, you know, if you buy this thing, you're fucking stupid. I mean, let's just be real about it. I mean, we both worked on it, and I'm a fucking cobbler. I don't know what he is. Look at him. He's a Cabbage Patch Kid, I guess. Cabbage Patch Kids. This is, you know, I don't even know how you spell cabbage, but let's see here. We'll just put a C-P-K. That's his name. Cabbage Patch Kid. And then he bust the pussy open. BTPO. We're gonna bust the pussy open. Real good. On fire. In the hot, and then safely while we're lighting this truck on fire, we're gonna be on Pierce's deck, right? There's a deck over here with the hot tub, right, with bitches. You know, obviously some big hooters, you know, big ones. And I'm gonna be over here, right? And here we go. Yep, that's me. Okay, I'm gonna be over here watching this thing just go up and just engulfing the shed. And Pierce is gonna be crying.
You refrained from putting a penis on the marker
No,
board.
I put it on there. It's on there.
Oh, good.
Hey, Pierce, stand next to that for a second.
Yeah, this is you. This is Cabbage Patch Kid, and that's you, and you're crying one slitting on fire, and then I'm in your hot tub with two hot chicks.
Good. I'm glad I'm round. That way I can just roll away once it's done.
That was the dumbest fucking tag.
But I don't know what sashish means.
Don't get the 5W30 weight.
Don't put all that assembly lube in my oil filter.
Don't put the assembly lube in the engine when you're assembling it, because it might clog it up.
I didn't think we needed to put a half a tube in there. But
There's not a half a fucking tube in there.
It's a dab at best.
Jesus Christ, you're gonna do it though.
Put some assembly lube on this.
Yeah, we need to reassemble this. Oh my God, it looks like you got a little bit much on this side. Richard. It's fucking squeezing out. Do you really need all that? Well, no. No. Okay. I don't know if that's going to fit on with all that assembly lube. It's probably going to squeeze out.
slam her together. Yeah.
No, it's okay.
All right. So when you clean heads on an LS, what you want to do is to contain all the bald eagles still in this bad boy, is you want to take a full can of O'Reilly's brake clean. And you just want to just stand back here and just give it to her, you know what I mean? Just.
I mean, you're gonna do that again with 2 hands, both hands.
Yeah, good point. Okay.
Restart that.
No, no, it's okay. Keep it rolling. We're just gonna you know, woke up in the morning.
Get the fuck out of here.
So what you're gonna do is, when you're double heading it, you're just gonna really get it clean. You know what I mean? Just really do it right. Just don't even look. Don't even look. It's gonna make it worse if you don't look. And you just, yeah. Then you just get a real nice. You want to get the floor soaked, right? And then you want to light a match. Just light this place up, right? Just light it right on fire because it's a waste anyway. It's all waste.
Oh, it burns off next.
You just want to waste both cans on one head. Just waste them, right? Just get them going. Just get them going.
And look at the result, you know. Just beautiful.
And then what you want to do is you want to take some sandpaper, some 80 grit, to get off this fine stuff, right? You just got to get this. You don't want this to get clogged in the sandpaper. Yeah, we're just going to deck them. It's going to be good. Get all that good carbon out of there. That's good. We'll make sure you get all that nice stuff. It's like the juices that come off of pizza, you know, off the pepperonis. You just want to get that just smacked right back on top of that pizza and just start gobbling down, you know. That's good. Get a real nice, clean. If you're not high and soaking the table with brake clean, you're not doing it right.
Empty.
And you should.
Empty.
Get on this line now.
As you should. Whose line is that?
Yours. As you should. It's always your thing.
Whose line is it anyways? Naturally. Naturally. That's his. And bust the pussy open.
BTPO.
BTPO! I bet. There's Pierce blowing it in it again. Normally it's his boyfriend, but this time it's not.
He's gonna be so jealous. How jealous are you?
John's not here. No, I put all the chromoly ones in there. You can ask me.
Now you put a single push rod in my Corvette once. Why? Going was low.
My Camaro?